Welcome back to my new project. Today we're gonna build a power orb.
In a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
When I finished designing, the PCBs turned out a little bit different than I initially thought up in the drawing, but they turned out really good. I cannot show you the process how I made the PCBs because PCBWAY, my sponsor for this video, does not like the program I use. In the background you can see the ordering process with PCBWAY. It's fairly straightforward and simple. Just make the options, look at your design and put it in your basket. As always, the package is really well protected. I don't have to tell you who my sponsor is. I think you can see that. And the products, let's see how they look. This is a warning for everyone, including me. I designed them myself, but when I had them in my hand they were smaller than I expected, and later on you can see I had a problem with it, but that will be later on. Quality is always good and they look amazing. Here I see the new finish for the first time. It is is something different than I expected, but later on you can see if you sand it, it still looks really good. This is the base I designed for the orb. I didn't include it in the video because I forgot to record that part. I'm sorry about that. White parts I use, I printed them myself just to have a prototype and get a look and feel about how it's gonna look. I forgot about the camera and it was really fiddly and it was a long day, so sorry you had to see my head. And when it was finally done, it was time for testing. Oh boy.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Time for plan B, old school, direct connections. When it was time to glue everything together, I found out this material does not glue very well. So next time I'll try and design something else to connect it all together. When I look back at the footage, I saw my head was blocking the view a lot of times, so it was time to change the angle of the camera. I hope you can see what I'm doing there. After sanding and cleaning, it was time to put the LEDs in. I really underestimated the work this took. testing and putting it together, it's finally time to show you the final result. Thanks to my Patreons, they're in the screen right now, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next project.